Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we are going to learn Love You Like I Used To. This is a cool intro and we're going to start by going over the chords. But before we get into it, make sure you have your capo. We're going to have that on our 3rd fret. If you don't have one, grab that in the description below and click that subscribe button. Also check out my guitar community. Where there's a lot of tabs. We come together, we're going to learn some things as a group, play together as a group. It's a place for parents that want to teach their kids, to have resources to teach you how to learn with your kids, how to teach your kids, and so that you guys can learn together and build a community. That's what the guitar community is all about. So let's get into this one, guys. Like I said, capo on your 3rd fret, and I'm gonna do a non-capo version of this one a little bit later. Wanted to start out with this one because it has open chords. So let's go through those first. So the chords that we're gonna use is a C major chord. Then we're gonna go to a G, then D, then an E minor, but it's not a full E minor. It's one that I've been playing a lot lately if you're watching my other videos, but basically all I'm doing is my 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the D string and my 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. So those chords again, C, then G, and make sure that you're doing the G with your 3rd finger down and your pinky on the 3rd fret. So let me go over all of those fingers. So I've got my 1st on the 2nd fret of the A, 2nd on the 3rd fret of the low E, 3rd on the B on the 3rd fret, and then my pinky on the high E string on the 3rd fret because we're going to use that. All right, and then D, then E minor. All right, so this first part, and you can check the tab out below, we're going to just go, so we're going to kind of do an arpeggio through those, and we're pretty much playing everything except for the B string. We're going to skip the B string, so it's A, D, G, E. All right. And then when we go to that G chord next, we're going to catch this note on the E and this, my 3rd finger right here. So, and then that, so 1st finger on the G, then we're going to pull off. Okay, let's do that again. 1, 2, ready, and. And just so we don't have all of that space, we're going to add a little filler in there. So all I'm doing is playing the D string right before I hit this one. So. And then D. And once again, skipping the B string, or actually I'm not. And then we're going to do the same thing we did with the G, except for we're going to do it with that E minor. So. All right, let's go through the whole thing so far. 1, 2, ready, and C, G, pull off, D, E minor, and then you're going to hit the G, so B, G, then the 3rd fret. So let's go that from the beginning, and then I'll show you that very last part. Ready, and again. And then we're going to come down, 2nd fret, open. Okay, all the way through. Ready, and... Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have something that you would like me to teach you, then leave that in the comments below. Click that subscribe button. Check out the tab that comes after this, and I'll see you next time.